Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can remove audio from part of the video original audio with a CapCut video editor. So let's try to open the CapCut and try to open your projects here. And this is, for example, you can do projects from library for practice. So this video had a audio or music. So to separate it, you can try to extract the audio. You can tap extract. By tap on this extract audio, you can tap your video. Try to search extract audio between a replace and motion blur here. Tap on extract audio here. So they cannot extract audio because my file there is no audio on it. This is just a add music from library. So if your video has a voice, sound or music, you can easily extract the audio by tap on extract audio here. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like and subscribe. So click the next button below. See you in the next video.